Hi guys, and welcome to Stuff You Should Buy. This is Harry, and today I'm going to be showing you a really cool app. I've had inquiries about this. It's called Better Snap Tool, okay? And what it does is it allows me to drag my windows. I've got a window here to the side here, and it would snap. Nothing happens now because I don't have it turned on. I always have this thing turned on. It's the best. Now I am using 3 monitors. I'm shooting on or doing a screen capture here or recording on one. So if you see this sort of thing happen, it's really because it's trying to go to the other monitor. Okay, let's get to it. So to just show you, I've got the app here. It's called Better Snap Tool, and I'll fire it up. And just while that's turned on there, I just want to show you that if you do a search in the App Store, it is for Mac only. I know that Windows gives it custom and free, or it comes with it, but you have to buy it if you've got a Mac with Apple. So just Better Snap Tool, click on here, and it has got more information regarding the Snap Tool itself. So it's around $2.49. Now I'm not sure if that's in Aussie dollar or US, so it might be different at the time when you look at it. Okay, so let's have a look at how this works. Pretty much when I bring my window to the side here, it snaps. If I open up, or say I've got another document here, I just want to show you that it works pretty much with any window you have. The only thing I found it doesn't work with is if you're using iMovie. For some reason it doesn't snap for me in iMovie. So to bring that here, you'll see it'll line up. Now I'm running 3 monitors as well, so by running 3 monitors, if I drag this over to the other side, it actually activates and lets me snap on the other side. So it's really cool if you're running multiple monitors. I have got hot corners set up, so if I was to bring it up here, it'll snap to there. It does give you an option where you can come down here and select automatically where you want it to go, as you can see there. Now, what I'll do is I'll snap it to the side here. I'll run through the settings beforehand. So say we're going to preferences. Here it pretty much lets you select what areas you want to activate. Okay, so if you wanted to activate all of them, as I've got them turned on, you can, or you can turn them off. The next part is customization. This is the part that lets you select the color. So to give you an example, say we grab this here, right? The other thing I wanted to let you know is that if you find that you've snapped it, say, to a particular size, and I'm jumping off a bit here, and you like it and you want to keep it, if you just grab the corner and drag back, it'll stay that way. So when you pull it, it won't resize. So say for example, I've got it like that. If I take it off, it generally resizes, as you just seen. Say I've dragged it here and I like this size, I want to keep it. I just have to grab the edge of it here. Give you an example. Do that, and then that, and then it just stays there. So it won't resize. Okay. Now also back to this, as we were saying, looking at the border color and background color, whenever you grab the document, do you see the color it makes? The background color? That's what that is trying to show. Oops, let's bring that over here. That's what this is trying to show. That's your color and your border width and so forth. I will show you when we do a custom area, and you'll see it a bit more clearly and understand what I'm saying. So I'll just drag that there, so when I pull it off, it won't keep snapping. Now, you can create shortcuts if you like. I never use them. Okay, I just like to drag and snap. Pretty much easy, and it has got a lot of options, and it is very customizable. That's what makes this such a cool app. I can't believe it. I mean, for the price, right? Here you've got your shortcuts if you do like to use that, and you can click and create them here. Again, I never use them. You know, it's up to the individual. Snap areas, I'll come back to that in just a second. This is what makes it really cool and awesome as well. And here you've got extras as well. Secondary click, right click with your mouse. Again, it's more customizable stuff. I don't need to use, but you can, as you can see here. About, and that just tells you a bit about it. Now, the cool thing here is the snap areas. That's really cool, okay? I'm going to show you now. I'll just close this down. Say I want to create a custom area anywhere here on my screen where I want to make it snap wherever I drag it to. What you do is you select the particular page you want. So I'll just close that, bring this here. Say I wanted to make a page that snapped with these dimensions. Okay, so I'll drag out this page here and I'll drag it down here. Say I wanted to make a page where when I drag down to the bottom here, it would snap and make this, or create this kind of size, this kind of layout. What I do is I've already got it set the way I want it. I've selected the page. I come up here and then I go to Snap Areas Advanced Feature and create a new snap area using the active window as a template, which is this here. automatically selects it. Then I click here in the middle, and then this little area here is wherever I drag the window is when it will create this particular layout here and size. So say I put it here. Now if I put it up here, it would still create it down there whenever I drag the page. So say for example's sake, I'll put it down here, and then we drag it down, and I'll leave it to about there, right? Now you can customize it even in this section. So if I click on here, let you set your dimensions, and again, shortcuts and so forth and so on. If we bring it, say, back to this, you can select the color, and that is the color that you see here inside, and the border is black, what you see as well. You can make them thicker, as you can see the border, or less. It's up to you. That's where it lets you sort of be a bit customizable. Your radius, again, you can make it more round or more squarish. Depends on what you like. Draw dash border, you could draw it yourself, I guess, and make snap area invisible. So whenever you drag down, it doesn't show you that it's going to snap to that particular size. There's an animation which it shows you the snapping screen. Again, I don't mind. I leave it show pictogram. Yeah, I don't have that turned on. And the next one is custom tabs or names. Yeah, add a custom text really to it. And you, as it says here, use white spaces and tabs to position the label in the snap area. Again, something I don't use. And this here, if I click on that, it lets me delete if I don't want to use it. So I won't delete it. We'll create it for now. So you press the Command and W key, and that means it's been created. So, and now if I drag it down, do you see how it gives me a little preview at the bottom? You can make that invisible. Okay, so if you see here, this side actually is invisible. I don't have it here showing that whenever I'm dragging it, but I do get a little demonstration or a preview. But the way I've done it here is I actually can see it as I drag it down. So I've brought it down to the area, let go, and boom, see, look at that. It's fantastic. But say I wanted to make this invisible, all I have to do is go back up here, go to snap areas, and just go to edit snap areas. If I come in here and click on that, say here, and we can make it invisible. So if we click on that and then Command W again, it should be invisible. Let's see. There it is, see? It's invisible, you can't see it now. But as I bring it down, it gives me a little demo. It's pretty much like I've got the others set up. So that's about it, guys. I hope you really liked this video and this really cool app. If you have any questions regarding this, please post them in the comment section and I'll get back to you as I always do. If you know something about this that I don't, or I've left something out and you want to share, please do post it in the comment section. I'd love it, and I'm sure anyone else who comes and sees the video will as well. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and if you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, sorry, I did my best. And also, if you could share me on the social networks, Google+, Facebook, Twitter, any kind of love you can give me out there, I'd really appreciate it. Once again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day or night, wherever you are.